Today I'm going to try and bake a very nice easy mix banana bread. You obviously need some bananas. I've got 3 ripe bananas here, 100 grams of castor sugar, 100 grams of brown sugar, 140 grams of plain yogurt, 2 eggs, some vegetable oil, some self-raising flour, about 240 grams, maple syrup. First, we'll just grease a pan and put some paper in it. Easy way to grease a pan. A paper to go at the bottom. Put this aside. I need to mix the stuff together. So first the sugar goes in, the brown sugar, so yogurt. Add the eggs. That's 2. I need to whisk this to combine it. Whisk works much better. Set that aside for now. So I need 240 grams bananas. That's 1, 2 bananas, 3 bananas. There we go, 240. And a piece for prosperity. Squish, squish. Don't know if there's an easier way to mash bananas, but mash, mash, mash. Oh, I need to add vegetable oil to this, I think. 80 ml of vegetable oil. So this is 60 ml, 15 and 5, I think. Whisk. Oh, looks much better. Now I need to stir in my bananas. Okay, let's stir this in. Next step is to sift flour. I have to do this. Sift it in there. With it combines better. That looks very nice, as you can see. Then pour this into a pan I've prepared. Just pour that in. All the nice stuff in there. Okay, that looks good. Take the banana, so cut it lengthwise. Try that, like this. And then I need to brush this with a tablespoon of maple syrup. Woo, I say brush. Oh, I don't know. Soak it. Probably not the best way of doing this, but that's what I want on here. Okay, so with that done, I now need to switch on the oven, get it to preheat, and then I will put the banana bread in there. Okay, it's been an hour and the oven just went off and it's ready to come out. Let's have a look. Okay, very hot. It looks amazing. Here is my banana bread, freshly baked, smells divine, and now I just have to leave it for 10 minutes in the pan to cool down. So I'm going to leave it there. Okay, let's turn this out. I'll probably do it this way, upside down. Turn on, come out. Uh-oh. What's happening? What's happening? 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Do that. Ah, there we go. I don't like leaving the paper at the bottom. Take that off. Okay. Smells divine. Let it cool down. There we go.